Okay, so open right now. So open new project. Okay, here is new project, new recording, open project. So open new project. Just remember, so opening right now. I am using the paid version of Camtasia 9. So if you want to use this, so please first of all install the trial version, or if you have the key gun or paid version, then you can use the proper way. So now I wanna edit something. So import media, here you can see import media, just click on it. Okay, so now I wanna edit a new video. So which one? So just go to searching, download video, have more videos. So okay, so I'm gonna edit this one. Okay, so drag it on the timeline, track 1. Here is track 1. So you can see here is track 1. So I put it here. So if you wanna need that, you wanna edit a HD print video, so project and select canvas dimensions, customs. Okay, 1080 HDP. Okay, select it, apply, then drag full screen. Okay, just see. Okay, I'll make it full screen. Oh my god, just don't wait. Okay, so now this is the task, how to broad your screen LG print, or if you want, then you can select 720p. Okay, so then be better, I think. Okay. Video. Okay, so now is 720 HD quality frame. So now what you is gonna add? Just say. So if you wanna separate your audio, then you can click here separate audio and video. Okay, and then if you wanna no leveling your volume, then just drag it down, and if you wanna your sound will be loud, then drag it okay, up and down, just as you can see. Or if you wanna sound good, then yeah. Sound is now good for this, and my more sound. So and MC, which is no copyright sound. I've added this in this video right now. Where is my YouTube up folder? Okay, so okay, here is a here audio. I'll add this one. No, right now. Play. And you can up and down. This sound will be mixed with your audio. Okay. So there, yeah. Okay. See. And now open your logo. I don't know what kind of logo you're using. Okay, so you may use this kind of logo. Just use one. Okay, so this look at this logo, just drag it in here. Okay, so this, just if you have any logo, then you can use it here. So now, okay, so just drag it here. See your timeline. When it starts, then it will be going on your timeline on this logo. So let's start. Look, now use it. I'm gonna use it. Height property is not add audio point. Okay. Okay. Then I will add more. Okay. So see, if you add this, I need more. Okay. Now here, this. Hey, you can drag this ball up and down, and in these areas sound will be reduced, okay, or upper. If you want to move only for this place, this area, so add the add point for, okay, add audio point here. Okay, so it's so much easy for you guys. And after that, if you wanna do transition, so how can you use transitions? Actually, I'm sorry, transitions. So it's so much easy for you. I'll show you right now. So this one, I'll make transition with this one. Okay. So drag it here, below, more. Okay. Now select transition. Okay, select transition. So make it broad. Okay. So much easy, guys. Just try at your home, then you can use it. Camtasia software is the best software for editing any kind of video for YouTube channels. So yeah. After that, fade, circle, stretch, flip. Okay, I'll use ripple. Ripple is one good one. Just drag on this logo. Just drag on this logo. Okay, now you can see the magic. Okay, see. Okay, so scale. Okay, so click on this annotation, double click on it. After that, please subscribe to my channel. It's so easy, guys. Just try to learn it. Okay. So click on the display, then it's already set it. So now where you can use it, where you want to use it, here. I want to use it here, where this video will run, and when it go on it, then it will be appear. So now you can see. And if you want to use behaviors, so it's so good for you. So I want to use this behavior. No, this one. Here you can see behavior already, behavior edited. Okay, so see the magic. How can you use? So much easy, guys. On how it is. After that, you can use like this. Hello. Okay. Hello. So here. Hello, guys. Okay. So then, hey, alignment. You can click there. So caption, it will be apparent here. Okay, so click on the display. Just play. See. How it is. It's really so much easy. Okay, so see on the display, hello guys. So it's called CC. Okay, so you can use it here. So it's so much easy to use, and if you wanna learn more options from here, I will show you. And if you have any question, please comment in below. So this is the easiest one. Okay, if you wanna blush something, if you wanna erase something on display, then you can use annotation. You can see here this. You can see here this one. Okay, blur and highlights. So drag in, double click on drag. Okay, already in here. So I want to erase this. So set before. Okay, so much easy, guys. Just drag it more this area from that area. So now see the magic. See, vanish. If you want invert, then click it. This one is invert. I don't need to invert. Okay. Then you can use your logo here. After that, just add your logo like this. Then from media and drag it from here. The logo you're gonna use. Then okay, and use my logo on this logo. Okay, see magic. Okay, isn't that, guys, so much easy how to edit a video? And it's so much useful and so much easy stuff ever. Okay, so guys, so thanks for watching, and please, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you have question, please comment in below. And this is the easiest way how to edit a video with the Camtasia software. And if you want to use this kind of thing like more, I'll show you the behavior and the cursor effect. So see, okay, just take it on. Okay, see this magic. Okay, if you have used any mouse sign, then you can use this left click ring. Okay, if you use in your video to mark any special word or option. Actually, I didn't use this mouse option because this video already made by me before, that's why. It's a raw video for make for fun. So this is the easiest way you can use. If you wanna crop something, then show you. So click on here. Okay, so drag it here. Okay, after that here select the mouse option and drag it up. Okay, then click here. Isn't that, guys, really much easy to edit the videos actually? So if you like the video, please guys, when your video is downloaded or when your video is completed, then you can burn it or rendering it by using this share. Just press custom production, new custom production. Okay, after that this option will be on your screen, then click next, then next, then next. Just write video, just give a title, then finish. After that, click on the finish, then your video will be rendering, and after that it will take some moment. And how can you burn or rendering your videos after completed? Okay, so thank you very much for watching.